Ever thought choosing a paint color would be the easiest part of decorating? Think again.
Why are there 100 different shades of white? I don't like any of these.
Sure, you could chase every trend, or you could actually figure out what works for your space.
Okay guys, I just found the perfect neutral. It's called Agreeable Beige.
Agreeable? This color doesn't agree with anything in this
Oh
room.
my god, the blog said Whisper Gray would be the perfect gray.
Were you going for minty?
No.
It's perfect for a bathroom. It looks just like toothpaste.
No.
Stop letting bad advice turn your home into a color catastrophe. It's time for the Paint Diva method. You can either take advice from someone who painted their own house once, or from an expert who has worked with tens of thousands of clients, helping them choose the perfect colors for their homes. Say goodbye to living in Pinterest fail and one-size-fits-all advice. The Paint Diva method will teach you how to choose colors that fit your style, your home, and your life. Stop chasing trends. Start loving your walls. No influencers required.